Samsung convection oven fan makes noise when spinning.
Can you guesstimate how old your Samsung is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
3 years old NE58F9500 SA.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I need to cook Christmas dinner this Saturday 12/23.
Thanks for counting on us to help with your appliance problem. My name is I look forward to helping you. Are you able to remove the fan cover to see if the fan is loose and wobbling?
I did not loose or wobbly. Noise seems to be coming from behind back panel of oven.
Okay, so the motor is faulty. Please allow me just a few minutes to prepare.
Clarification. I did remove fan cover. Fans are not loose. Noise is coming from behind back panel of oven.
The convection motor will need to be replaced. Access is gained by removing the service cover from the back of the range. It is held in place with several screws and all connections will simply unplug and plug in. The motor is available below. If you don't, I receive no credit for my work. The deposit you place stays with the site. You may post back at any time with follow-up questions. Thank you so much.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.